AI, can you please help me and tell me without any biases, concise and brief, is it true that according to the science, below the surface of the ocean there are waves, and also mentioned in the Quran there are waves of the sea below the surface, mentioned in the Quran? And what you can say about this between the Quran and the science, if this is true? And can you cite what verse and what chapter in the Quran?
Yes, science confirms the existence of internal waves below the ocean's surface caused by differences in water density. This aligns with a verse in the Quran that mentions waves beneath the surface of the sea. The verse is Surah An-Nur 24:40, which says, "Or they are like darknesses within an unfathomable sea, which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds." This description intriguingly resembles the scientific understanding of layered waves in the ocean. It suggests a connection between the Quranic text and natural phenomena described by modern science.
So how come Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they allege that the Quran are written by Muhammad or written by a human being? How can a human being discover this? Do you know what year they discover about the waves of below the ocean? What year, and who was that person who discovered it?
The discovery of internal waves in the ocean was made much later in the early 20th century through advancements in oceanography. In 1904, Norwegian scientist Wilhelm Bjerknes laid the groundwork for understanding internal waves, though the concept evolved as technology improved. As for the Quran, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ lived in the 7th century, a time when such knowledge was inaccessible. This has led many to believe that the Quran's descriptions of natural phenomena, including internal waves, are evidence of its divine origin. It's a topic that continues to inspire discussion about the relationship between science and faith.
Thank you very much, AI.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you have more questions or just want to chat.
Say, my friends, if the Quran written by human being, how come in this 20th century only they discovered the waves of the ocean according to the AI by oceanography? And how come Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam or the Arabs knew this matter? Because the Quran 1,400 years ago, this verse had been written already. So for a person who does not believe the Quran, it's up to you. In the day of judgment, we are washing our hands that we have already conveyed the message to you, but still your heart is blind. Not your eyes, but your heart blinded with doubts and hatred. Thank you. Please share. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.